Hello, welcome and namaskar to all the viewers who are watching this video. My name is Ayush Banerjee and welcome back to this brand new episode of Beshgo Prime Time. But before we begin with today's video, I would like to ask all the viewers to hit that red subscribe button and enable the notification options to stay updated as to when we upload our next video. So without wasting further much ado, let's get this video going. Okay, so hey, welcome back to this yet another new episode and fresh episode of this Beshgo Primetime Bulletin. And today's topic is quite interesting because it's talking about how the entire job sector is going to change and how this entire COVID-19 situation has brought about a permanent set change into the entire professional careers. This was a recent survey that was conducted by a very renowned agency known as Pearson, and this site really insightful data out of the entire thing. But before we jump right into the main story for today, let me ask Brian to pull up the word for the day. Then we can proceed further with the story of today. So what is the word for the day that you have for us today?
So, let me start with the word of the day. Posture? It is how you position your spine while standing, sitting, or even lying down. Posture can convey confidence, uncertainty, power, or even lack of it. Well, having a good posture not only helps you to have confidence in yourself but also has physiological benefits that help to keep you healthy. So next time when you plan to sit or stand, keep in mind, having a good posture. Over to you, Ayush.
Okay, that was a really insightful word because as you know, having a good posture not only helps you to build up your confidence but actually has really good and positive physiological effects in your body and helps in better circulation of the blood and oxygen throughout your body. So it'll actually make you feel confident from within. So one should always have and support really positive body posture. So talking about the main story right now, the recent report that was citing that pandemic made most Indians rethink their career options, which means post this lockdown, people are rethinking the career that they were in and how changing or switching career is one of the options that they have right now in their pockets, because as we all know, this pandemic has created a kind of void in a way that people physically going to a place, sitting there and working there 8 and 9 hours is something that is not going to be normal for quite some time. So people are rethinking about the type of careers that they can take up right now, or if they can just tweak some skills inside of them and they be COVID ready. So if I give you some very factual data here, Pearson said that it conducted this study with over 7,000 of participants, out of which 1,000 came directly from India, and the age range was ranging from 16 to 70. So it was a very wide variety of people and perspectives that was taken into account for this study, and it cites really impactful data that we infer from this entire survey. So it says 80% of the people, every 8% out of 10 people is saying that there are new skills that people have to brush up post this COVID-19. So another really strong insight that is coming out of this entire survey is that around 77% say that pandemic already has permanently changed the way people are working, and 90% are saying that people must become more comfortable with this entirely fully digitalized environment or digitized environment, and increasing this skill set as well as this work from home and study from home segment of our culture is something that is going to come post this lockdown goes off. And now the biggest takeaway here is, since people won't be physically going and meeting or sitting down in their premises, so it will be very important for people to communicate, and the only medium that people will have to communicate with others is the digital medium. Obviously the things will somewhat condense down the line, but since it's not happening readily, there are a lot of skills that people have to go through, and there have to be a lot of upgradations that people have to bring in themselves, because now this digital media that I'm talking to you through right now is something that is going to be very normal for people to actually communicate with their bosses, with their colleagues, with their groups, or with their teams. And it is very important for people to build up on their communication skills or their presentation skills, preferably, or if I pick up a word that will encompass all the all these diversities, is actually the soft skills needs to be really impactfully improved upon all these people. Because once you work on your soft skills, it actually helps you to be a better version of yourself. And also, since this COVID-19 is going to bring out this entirely digitized environment, and full-on digital education is something that is going to come up really soon, people are working towards getting a hold of these soft skills, because this is something that people are, irrespective of any technical background that they are in right now, is going to help them to grow themselves personally as well as professionally. So that was a quick video that we wanted to bring out to you for this update. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, feel free to hit that dislike button, or hit us down in the comment section below and let us know what you liked about these series, what all you would like to hear about in the forthcoming videos. And if you want to know how you can grow your own soft skill, head on to www.bejgo.com, as well as sign up for this free ebook that we have already launched there, and take our world's first patent pending soft skills assessment to assess yourself and see where you are standing right now in terms of soft skills. That's all for this video. It's me, Ayush Banerjee, signing off on behalf of BejGo. It was really nice talking to you. I hope you have a great day. That's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye now.